Welcome to our fun and supportive community, Becoming a Wedding Planner. This is just a quick tutorial to help you navigate and get the most out of the community. We are a social learning group, so that means we have something called units, and you can find the units on your sidebar over here. And these units just have little simple lessons in which you can further your wedding planning education. For example, you go down here and our first unit is Business Resource Toolbox. So you just click it. You go and you will see the lesson here. And this is just a resource guide for you. So you would see more. And then once you're done, you click Done. And then you would go on to the next lesson, which is how to start a wedding planning business. And then you would hit Done. And then you could always just go back to units and then find something that might interest you, or you can go through them all because they're all really great. And they also have, we have team members who contribute and comment on things. These are always great to look at. Another thing you'd want to look at is our recent announcements. Right here we have our Unit 6, Work-Life Balance, but this changes daily. Also, you can take a look at our events, and we have different events going on each month. We have something called a Bridalpreneur contest that we do sometimes, and that's just kind of a fun way for you to exercise your skills. Take a look at our recent videos. Once a month we do a website audit for new members who have recently launched their website. And you can go through here and click to watch these videos and get some ideas maybe as to what you need to input. Obviously, if you go to discussion, you can post any questions you have about starting a wedding planning business, or if you're having some troubles getting clients. This is a very supportive community, and we all want each other to succeed, and I think you'll find it a really helpful place to be. So don't be afraid to ask questions. This group loves to give feedback. One quick feature I want to talk about is the notification feature. Facebook has a habit of not sharing content unless you are really engaged. So I recommend going up here to this notifications within the group and clicking on it and click all posts. This way you are informed as to when somebody has a question, and you can be helpful. Just like when you have a question, you want someone to help you. So this is the best way to do that, is by getting all notifications. Also, to get the most out of Facebook, I highly recommend going to the Engaged Wedding Planner Academy Facebook page and hitting like. There are some really great articles in here that have to do with a wide range of topics. Some are business related, things how you can make your business better, and some things are design related, some fun wedding elements that you can add. It's just a whole smorgasbord of stuff, not just things that I post, but things that I have found on Pinterest and will post on here. Here we on how to make Chex Mix. So it's just a wide range of fun things that you can incorporate into your wedding planning business, or even if you just want to maybe host a party. Those are always fun. Popular wedding shower games. Well, it's always a good idea to know more about. So go ahead and like our page, and that way you'll be informed with other things. So that was just a really quick tutorial as to what our group offers and how to navigate through it.